ShortBlox kicks off a blistering 60-second montage filled with fast runs and hilarious fails. The clip spotlights thrilling mini-games, jaw-dropping wins, and clever comeback plays that keep viewers cheering and fans shouting yes. It follows transformatively from noob to pro as quirky challenges push skills, teamwork, and nerve to the limit against tough bots. Daily uploads are emphasized with a countdown clock and a promise of fresh chaos every day for fans and rivals. Viewers are invited to subscribe for non-stop action humor and a steady stream of new ShortBlox adventures in a kid-friendly style.